What to eat at Nashville? I found a few great places. Of course, one thing you must try here is the Nashville hot chicken. One of the most famous ones is Hattie's hot chicken. I hit up their Midtown spot back in 2016, before the whole country caught on and made it a craze. This time I'm eating at a more convenient location on Lower Broadway at Assembly Food Hall. When at Midtown location 8 years ago, I had to wait in line for more than an hour. The line is much shorter at the new location. It's the same great flavor, spicy and crispy. Couldn't get more authentic than this. Hattie B is at Assembly Food Hall, which is a massive place packed with vendors serving up all kinds of cuisine, so you've got plenty of options. They've also got live entertainment on select days, so you can enjoy some great food with a side of music. Another spot I couldn't stop thinking about after I got back was this amazing bakery and brunch place. Their brunch is very popular, so expect a wait. Or you could order some pastry to go without wait. The croissants are next level, flaky, buttery, and absolutely unforgettable. They claim their plain butter croissant has 140 layers. I didn't count, but honestly, I believe it. One of the best croissants I've ever had. If you're craving some barbecue and love good dry rub chicken wings, this is the place to be. Chicken wings are the heroes, smoky and super flavorful. The ribs are solid, but the brisket is kind of average compared to others. Next up is a spot dishing out flavors straight from Central Asia, something a little different. Uzbek food is known for its hearty, meat-heavy dishes, lots of rice, and flavorful spices. It's a bit oily for my taste, but among all the things I ordered, I recommend plov, as Uzbekistan's national dish. It's a slow-cooked rice pilaf with lamb, carrots, onions, and raisins. Nashville's airport isn't just for flights, you can grab some famous local eats there too, such as Ole Red. Just like its Broadway location, it also offers live music here. I love the music and the lively vibe, but the food is pretty average. Definitely more about the experience than the meal. Nashville's airport even has a Hattie's for a last-minute hot chicken fix, but the menu is pretty limited. Nashville Farmers Market is another place I would recommend to visit. It's a year-round market, so you can go on any day, with free parking. One of the biggest farmers markets I've been to. One shed has lots of food vendors. Another shed with produce and crafts. Few quick words about hotel. I stayed at a downtown hotel near Printer's Alley. Since I was doing a lot of city walk, a convenient location was really important. Room was okay and price was affordable. Like any downtown hotel, parking was very steep at $60, but you can find nearby public parking at the library for $20 per night.